Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Zedar SMP Discord server in a few simple steps. Open the Discord invite page for Zedar MC. You'll see server details and member information displayed on the page, along with a preview of the server icon and the current member count. Click the Accept Invite button in the center of the screen to begin the join process. Discord will start validating your request and preparing the verification step. Oh wait, are you human? HCAPTCHA verification modal appears. Check the I am human checkbox to verify you're not a bot. This security check prevents automated accounts from joining servers. Once verified, Discord processes the invite and you'll see a loading screen followed by the main Discord interface. The interface loads with the server list on the left and the main chat area in the center. A "You've been invited to join Zedar MC" modal appears over the interface. Click the Accept as Test Account button to confirm you want to join. This final confirmation associates your account with the server. Another HCAPTCHA verification appears. Check the I am human checkbox again to complete the second verification check. Discord sometimes requires multiple verifications for new accounts or certain server settings. Discord processes your acceptance and shows a brief loading screen as it finalizes adding you to the server. You'll see your account being added to the member list. If you need to accept the invite again from the browser, click Accept Invite on the invite page. This takes you through the same verification and acceptance flow. Complete the HCAPTCHA verification one more time by checking the I am human checkbox. Discord finishes processing and displays the "You've been invited to join Zedar MC" modal, confirming you're now ready to access the server and view all available channels. If the Accept Invite button doesn't respond or the page times out, refresh the invite page and try again. Discord invite links sometimes need a fresh load to work properly. The HCAPTCHA verification step is standard Discord security and will appear every time you accept a new server invite. Once you've joined, the Zedar SMP server will appear in your server list on the left side of Discord, and you can click it any time to return to the server and browse its channels. And that's how to join the Zedar SMP Discord server. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.